Hello my lovely viewers. In today's video we want to look at Lewis structure of polyatomic ion. Lewis structure of what? Polyatomic ion. Now what do you understand by polyatomic ion? A detailed video of polyatomic ion has been uploaded on my YouTube channel. Go to Ojemai, look at it here, Ojemai TV on YouTube. Go and type polyatomic ion by Ojemai. You understand what polyatomic ion is. In today's video, we want to look at the structure of some of the polyatomic ion. What are these polyatomic ion? Example of the polyatomic ion, we have what we call SO4 2 minus. We have CO3 ion or phosphate ion. Alright, go and check on Ojemai YouTube channel. Type this Lewis structure of phosphate ion. All those videos have been extensively uploaded on my YouTube channel. Okay, so we will look at this Lewis structure of this sulfate ion. So in sulfate ion, SO4 2 minus, this is sulfate ion. How do we draw the structure of this sulfate ion? Now we're going to look at the central atom. The central atom there is what? Is sulfur. All right, sulfur is bounded with what? 4 atoms or what? Of oxygen. Is that understood? So now, how many valence electron? You know, I'm just going to look at this direct structure. I'm not going to look at the formal charge, the valency, the bond, and so on. No, I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do now is to look at the major structure of it. Okay, so how many valence electrons are in sulfur and how many valence electrons are in oxygen? Oxygen and sulfur belong to the same group in the periodic table, and they have what? 6 valence electrons. Okay, now the central atom here is what? Is S, and this S is surrounded by what? 4 atoms of what? Of oxygen. Look at here. So we write oxygen. Okay, let's just say oxygen, oxygen, and oxygen. All right, so remember, sulfur has what? Has 6 valence electrons. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 6 valence electron of what? Of sulfur. Oxygen on the other hand, so we have 6 valence electron here, 6 valence electron here, 6 valence electron here, 6 valence electron here, and also we have another 2 electrons, because minus here means what? You are adding 2 electrons. So the total valence electron is going to be 32. All right, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2, it give you 32. All right, so now has 6 valence electrons. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have completed that one. This one has how many? 1 2 3 4 5 valence electrons. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, have you seen? Now this one now that are 2 here, what will happen to it? What will happen to it? This one now, what they will do is that this one and this one will pair to form a single bond. Okay, let's just pair to form a single bond. This one that are 2 pair for an electron here will pair to form what? Double bond. Okay, now this one now that is 2 here will also pair to form what? Double bond. Have you seen? This one now will pair with this one to form what? A single bond. Okay, now there are 2 electrons. Remember, minus means what? We are adding 2 electrons to look at. This one has 1 here. Okay, this one has 1 and this one has 1. So we are going to remove this one. Two lone pair of electron. Here we have what? Here we have the same. All right, now here we are now carrying this one of this one and add. Look at, there are 2 electrons here. We are going to add here and we are going to add here. Do you get that? This is one of the Lewis structure of what? Of what? Of sulfate. All right, this electron you are adding here to complete this one. All right, if you add this one, clean it. Do you get that? Add here, clean it. This is how it is. Do you get that? So you are adding one of it. All right, this is one of, and this is the most stable structure of what? Of sulfate. We also have this one can undergo resonance. Resonance means that this double bond can change position, can rotate, that can delocalize. All right. So another structure, this one can also be written as, we're gonna be fast in this one. SO4. Now this is this structure, okay? This is this structure. What really happened here? If you remove this one now, you are adding one electron. So we now have what? We have one here, one charge here, and what? One charge here. Do you get that? This is another structure of what? Of sulphate. Alright? Sulphate ion. So if you are removing one of the bond here, you are removing means what? Removal of electron. Look at it there. Plus, alright? Addition is what? Minus. So another structure can also be written as, we have so here will be what? We have minus, we have minus, we have minus, we have what? We have minus. Alright? So this one has what? You are removing two electrons. This one. So now this one is the least stable. Least stable. This one is the most stable. The most stable Lewis structure of what? Of sulphate is what? This one. Second by what? Right? So the more charges are in the structure, it becomes less stable. So the most stable structure of sulphate is what? Is this one. Okay. So you go and try this one, but we have already been extensively discussed all this Lewis structure of different polyatomic ion. For more of this video, do well to like, importantly share and comment. Thank you and God bless you.